If you have an AMD-powered laptop, then chances are you will have some kind of AMD graphics chip on board. And if you also have an Nvidia graphics card, then you might be having a problem using Davinci Resolve. This is because you have to manually tweak the settings in Davinci Resolve in order to get it to use the Nvidia card exclusively. You'll notice that if you disable AMD graphics in the device manager, you will have an initialization error when you try to start Resolve. This could be a Cuda or a OpenGL graphics initialization error code. Chances are you are able to open up Resolve while using AMD graphics, but you won't be able to utilize the capabilities of your Nvidia card. And you are not able to start up Resolve when you disable the AMD graphics. The solution is fairly simple. You open up Resolve and go to your top left menu and open the Preferences tab. And in the dialog box that opens up, go to Memory and GPU tab. Go to GPU Configuration. Uncheck Auto Mode on both the GPU Processing Mode and the GPU selection, and go below that to where you see the AMD graphics and the Nvidia card, and simply check the Nvidia card and uncheck the AMD card and hit Save, and the problem should be solved. I've been suffering with this problem for a couple of months now, and I tried all kinds of tweaks. One of them was to open up Nvidia Control Panel to change Manage 3D settings from the Auto Select Processor type to High Performance Nvidia Processor. You should probably do that as well. And also make sure that your Nvidia graphics driver has been updated to the latest one. I hope this solves your problem.